All right, Marianne, thanks so much for that. Now, two of the cabinet nominees listed in the lineup unveiled by President William Ruto have pending cases in court, casting doubt on their integrity, in line with Chapter 6 of the Constitution on Leadership and Integrity. Mithika Linturi, who has been nominated to head the crucial agriculture and livestock docket, has pending attempted rape and indecent act charges, while Aisha Jumwa, who has been picked to take charge of the Public Service Ministry, has murder and corruption charges in Mombasa. And as our very own Francis Gachuri reports, the pending court cases are set to trigger a debate during their vetting by the National Assembly's Committee on Appointments and House plenary sessions, with Azimio lawmakers vowing to mount opposition to their appointment as cabinet ministers.
When President William Ruto unveiled his proposed cabinet of 21 ministers, the Attorney General, Secretary to the Cabinet and two advisors, two names stood out among the nominees, with the list of nominees heading to the National Assembly for vetting by the House Committee on Appointments, chaired by Speaker Moses Wetangula, and subsequent deliberations on suitability of the nominees by the House plenary. Former Malindi lawmaker Aisha Jumwa and former Meru Senator Mithika Linturi will be on the spotlight. Jumwa, who has been nominated to head the Public Service, Gender and Affirmative Action Ministry, is facing two cases at the Mombasa law courts. Together with her then bodyguard Geoffrey Okuto, Jumwa is charged with the murder of Gumbao Jola in chaos that erupted during a by-election in Ganda Ward in 2019. She denied the charges and is out on bail. She is also facing a 19 million shillings graft charge in the alleged embezzlement of Malindi Constituency Development Fund for construction of a sub-county education office block. Hearing of the case was adjourned to next month to allow her concentrate on the pursuit for Kilifi governor's seat. She was vying on a UDA ticket and lost to ODM's Gideon Mungaro. Jumwa has repeatedly claimed the two cases against her were politically motivated. Linturi, on the other hand, has an active case in court. He is facing 2 counts of attempted rape and indecent act in an Anyuki hotel on 30th of January 2021. The former Meru senator, however, denied the charges and claimed the sexual assault case was a malicious afterthought engineered to coerce him to drop extortion and kidnapping complaints he had filed against the woman who accused him of attempted rape. A group of Azimio lawmakers contesting the eligibility of Jumwa and Linturi to be appointed to the cabinet.
Most of the nominees suffer acute financial and ethical deficit, which the appointing authority is aware of, but chose to ignore in nominating them, because it would appear in this administration, ethics and accountability won't matter. As lawmakers, we shall accord fair hearings to all of the nominees. But they must know that there are a lot of questions about some of them, and we will be asking those questions relentlessly.
Once vetted by the Appointments Committee, the fate of cabinet nominees will be in the hands of the House plenary that can adopt, amend or reject the committee's report, a process that requires a simple majority decision in the House. Once approved by the National Assembly, the nominees will be appointed by the President, sworn in, and handed their dockets to take over from their predecessors, appointed by former President Uhuru Kenyatta. Francis Gachuri, Citizen TV.